Hi, my name is Kyle Mann with IP Truck, and today we're going to do a quick walk around at stock number 31550. Again, that's stock number 31550. Here before me today, we got the Hino 2020 155 double cab with an open body Wil-Ro landscape on the back. And here, as a Hino Ultimate Certified dealer, we specialize in the landscaping industry. So one of the first things you'll notice about this truck is that it is a low cab forward design, which literally means that the cab sits over top of the engine. This is great for your maneuverability in those residential areas as well as commercial areas. Now, some of you may not be very familiar with the Hino product, but it actually is the commercial vehicle for Toyota. So the same durability and reliability that you get with all Toyota products translates into the Hino commercial brand as well. Right here in the front, you'll notice we have a very large front windshield. And without it being the conventional truck, we do have a cutoff hood here, so it's going to allow you to have a lot of visibility from driver to ground of about 8 feet. You're also going to get a nice panoramic view out of the front windshield. On the sides, you're going to have some added on visibility with the side view mirrors, of course, your upper main mirror giving you sight line down the side of the truck, as well as your lower interval convex mirror, which gives you great line of sight for oncoming traffic as well as that curbside parking. So let's go ahead and take a look inside of the truck, have the cameraman get in there. Now, as I said, this is a double cab, so you are going to have space for a 7-man crew total. You can fit 4 in the back and then 3 in the front up here. And a really great feature about the Hino brand and the Hino product and this double cab is that you're actually going to have AC and heating in the back, and underneath there, if the cameraman takes a look, you'll notice that there is the heater for the back, and it generates the heat through the back of the cab, keeping your crew nice and comfortable and warm in even the coldest months. We'll move on to the front here. As you can see, getting into this cab is extremely easy with the grab handles here, and I just want to take a few moments to go over a couple of features inside of the cab. So right in the center, you're going to have a nice fold-down workspace. This is great for any work logs or phones, tablets, laptops, anything you need to be able to put right here, as well as an upper top storage container, so you'll be able to store anything else up there nice and safely. And one of the first things you'll notice is I'm sitting on a fully adjustable captain's chair with a tilt telescopic steering wheel, which is going to allow any driver of any size to fit comfortably and safely inside of the cab. And this is going to be your 6-speed automatic transmission, so it's going to be a turn key and go operation. You put the key in here, you put it in drive, and you roll down the road. On the left side, you're going to have your power locks, power windows, and in the dash right here, you're going to have your remote and heated side view mirrors, which is great, so you're not having to get in and out of the cab to change the sight lines for your crew. Standard, you're going to get AM, FM, CD, Bluetooth radio, as well as great cup holders, heavy duty floor mats. You're going to have a nice triangle kit down here and a fire extinguisher as well. So let's go ahead and take a look at the business end of this truck. Now, a couple things I want to mention about the Hino brand is one of the things that you're going to get when you purchase this truck, a couple factory warranties. First being the 5-year, 200,000 mile engine warranty, as well as Hino Care, which is going to provide you preventative maintenance, and that is standard a 2-year, 60,000 mile coverage. And you're also going to get Hino Insight. And as a business owner, this is a really great feature for you to have a fully connected vehicle. You're going to get telematics, which is going to allow you to know how long the vehicle's been running. You can schedule the routes, you can look at the distance it's gone that day, and then you're also going to get remote diagnostics, so you can look at all that on your phone, your laptop, or your tablet, as well as case management. So anytime the truck does pull a code or there's something wrong with the vehicle, you as a business owner will be notified, and we as the dealer will also be sent an email letting us know and letting you know that there's something wrong with the truck and that we may need to take a look at it. So back here, we've got the Wil-Ro open body landscape with 14-foot flat surface and 5-foot end decline with the dovetail ramps on the end. When Wil-Ro made this body, they thought of literally everything, including a nice water cooler rack here for your crew in the hot summer months. They can stay hydrated throughout the entire day. Now underneath here, you're gonna see a toolbox kit. This is great for any of your extra tools or any other materials that you're carrying around. It is a lockable box, so that does keep it safe and secure throughout, out of the elements. This is going to be your side rail, and for the purpose of this video we've only lowered one side, but you can lower both sides for any pallet jacks or forklift loading, or even hand loading and unloading you can do. These are your trimmer racks. You're going to get 3 spaces for 3 trimmers, and this here is called a trimmer trap. So when you put your trimmers down, you can lift this up and it locks them in and keeps them secure. On the back, we've got our split dovetail ramp. And one of the great things you'll notice is that this is expanded metal. So any of the dirt, mud, or soot that you're walking up with your zero-turn mowers, or even just on your shoes, it's going to fall right through this expanded metal, keeping the bed of this truck nice and clean. Even on the top, on our decline slope, we've got welded on expanded metal. This is going to be a great traction pad for when it's wet, or for when your zero-turn mowers or any other equipment that you're hauling up on here. It's going to be able to have good traction and get up onto the bed safely. On the floor of the 14-foot flat surface, you're going to get 4 D-rings, 2 in the front and 2 in the back. And up top, you're going to have your fully enclosed blower rack. You can fit your blowers in here, you can put trimmers if you'd like. And on this side, you're going to have a great shovel rack for any of those rakes or shovels for you. So I think we've done a pretty great job of giving you a quick overview of this vehicle. If you'd like to make an inquiry on this vehicle, please do so at our website at iptruck.com, and one of our salesmen will contact you directly. Give us a like and a follow on our LinkedIn, YouTube, and Facebook page so you can stay constantly updated with our changing inventory. I hope to see you soon. Thanks. Have a great day.